thing. Okay. Now let us see the question answers. Write whether the following statements are true or false. The two frogs were very close friends. True. The rainy season lasted forever. False. The frog hated the rainy season. False. Frog loved the rainy season. The frogs were very happy. True. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the textbook. There lived two little frogs in the pretty little pond. The frog friends found cozy little place at the edge of the pond. The rain stopped and the weather became hot. Write down the meaning of the following phrases. Use the phrases in the sentence of your own. Long, long ago. A very long time ago. Long, long ago, there lived a king called Ram. All the day long, the whole day. During holidays, we play all day long, last forever. The last for a very long time. Use pencil carefully because it is not going to last forever. Now, children, we have to complete this table. Hot, hotter, hottest. Here, hot means hot, and more than hot, then we say that hotter. And this is a superlative degree, means more hot. See, this is a comparison. Okay, hot, hotter, hottest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, close, closer, closest, happy, happier, happiest. Okay. Now see the question answers assignment 2. What was the pond like in the summer? In summer, the pond began to dry, and the lilies also dried, and there were very few insects found in the pond. Why were the frogs worried? The pond began to dry up. The frog knew that they could have to leave the pond. They have to find a pond with the insect, and they were not sure how such place was, and hence they become worried. Why did the frog begin to jump with a joy when the frog saw a when the frog saw a well having plenty of water? They began to jump for joy. Why was the well? What was the well like? Describe in 2 or 3 lines. The well was built in a stone with a high circular wall. It was deep and there was a lot of water that left at the bottom. Fill in the blanks. When the pond began to dry up, the frog friends were very worried. After traveling the search of water, they were very tired. When they saw the well, they were very happy. Jump for joy. Feel very happy. My brother and I jumped for joy when we saw ice cream. The sooner the better. It is important that something should be happen very soon. Let us get out of here. The sooner the better. Pick out the words ending "ia." Summer, water, other, sooner, better, together, easier. So children, let us move to our assignment 3. What problem did the frog see? The frog realized that though they could dive into the deep well easily, if the water in the well dried up, they could not jump out easily to go into the search of fresh water. They could perhaps then die there. What did the two frogs do then? The two frogs continue their search for a safe shelter. What proverb does the lesson explain? Look before you leap. This is a proverb. Write down the three sentences ending with exclamation mark. Children, this is a exclamation mark. Okay. We are so fortunate. Thank God we found this well. Our problem is solved. Okay, children, we will meet in the next lesson. Till then, see you soon. Bye.